Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by powering and pairing the QC45. This is the fastest path to audio. Plug the USB-C cable if battery is below 20% because charging preserves firmware stability. Press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds to turn them on. You'll see a white indicator. Once on, press and hold again for roughly 5 seconds to force Bluetooth pairing. Your phone should list Bose Qc45. Pair now so you can confirm audio and move to configuration. Once paired, open the Bose Music app because it gives direct control over active noise cancellation and firmware updates. This matters for sound consistency. In the app, choose Quiet to maximize isolation or Aware to hear ambient announcements. Adjust EQ if you want more bass or clarity, and save a preset. Make sure to enable multipoint in phone Bluetooth settings if you plan to switch between laptop and phone. This saves you repeated repairing and keeps workflow uninterrupted. You finish by confirming fit and controls so the experience is reliable. Position ear cups evenly and tighten the headband until you feel a secure seal. That directly affects noise cancellation and bass response. Practice the right side button for playback and calls, and the left for noise mode and volume. These require short presses versus holds. If audio or pairing fails, reset the headphones by holding power for 10 seconds, forget device on your phone, then repair. That resolves most connection faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.